stepped on the floor and forgot how to breathe. Dark brown waves, she don't even try. Hips like the tide, smile so sweet, standing in the corner. She looks my way, yeah. Every step she takes, she the reason that my body wanna move. Island girl, you move like the ocean. Island girl, island girl, island girl. One look from you and the room starts to swirl. Hold me closer, don't you let go. Feel the rhythm, let it take control. Slow. Island girl, island girl, you the reason that my body wanna move, but we move slow. She got that magnetic, conversations fade when she walk my way. Glasses get set down, she move like a wave and I'm choosing to stay. I step to her side, pull me in the rhythm, radiant smile. We ain't rushing away. You move like the ocean. Island girl, island girl, island girl. One look from you and the room starts to swirl. Hold me closer, don't you let go. Feel the rhythm, let it take control. Slow. Island girl, island girl, you the reason that my body wanna move so slow. I couldn't look away. Every step she took pulled me deeper in the way. She became the music, and the tide it rises, but we don't rush, we just feel. Island girl, you move like the ocean. Island girl, one look from you and the room starts to swirl. Hold me closer, don't you let go. Feel the rhythm, let it take control. Slow.